Yeah, hello students, welcome back. So today we'll have one session, one video on problem solving. We'll have a problem solving session on trigonometric identities. What I did, I picked up from CBSE NCRT books. I picked up your exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3, and we are going to resolve. So the first problem, I won't go through all of them, but the identities start with number 4 4 1, and the first problem is prove cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So we are going to cover everything in this exercise, not everything, but the major ones, the ones which are a little difficult. So before we proceed, I already told we have to make use of certain formulas whenever we are resolving identities. First is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. These three formulas. Anytime 1 minus sin square equals to cos square and 1 minus cos square is sin square, from this one. Anytime tan square is sec square minus 1 and sec square minus tan square is 1. Cosec square minus cot square is 1, and cosec square minus cot square is 1, and cosec square minus 1 is cot square. And apart from that, you know, tan is reciprocal of cot, and cosec is reciprocal of sine, sec is reciprocal of cos. I have dealt with this. I have dealt with everything in the previous sessions. You can refer back to the previous sessions, and I have made videos on those. So let's start resolving this. The first one is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta. First question is, I also told in my earlier sessions that try to break into sine and cos. Try to break into sine and cos. So let's start with LHS. So if I break this, cosec is 1 by sine minus cot is cos by sine whole square. So that leads to, take LCM, sin theta 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now that is equal to, break this as 1 minus a minus b whole square. So a square minus b plus b square minus 2 into 1 into cos theta, and this becomes, no, don't break it, sorry. Why don't we break it? We have to focus what is written, what is in the RHS, what needs to be proved. So what we will do, we'll keep it as 1 minus cos theta whole square. We'll keep it as this, because we need 1 minus cos theta, right? And common sense says that this 1 minus cos theta whole square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So somehow if I can break this one, I'll get break sine square into cos square, sine square into cos square. So if I break this into sine square, this as 1 minus cos square, based on what is there in the RHS, it makes my life a little easier. Another formula which we use quite often in identities is a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So see, 1 minus cos square theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta, and this is 1 plus cos theta. This is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta gone, square gone. So we are left with 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That's the RHS. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Exercise 8.3, fourth. We'll take the second one. Second one. What's the second one? Cos theta. I'm not taking a, I'm writing cos, and there is no difference, right? Cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta by cos theta equals to 2 sec theta. So here, if I start with RHS, definitely I'll not be able to reach LHS. So let's start with LHS. Take the LCM. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. This becomes cos square theta, and this becomes 1 plus sin theta whole square. So this becomes, break the a plus b whole square, 1 plus, I can see, try to foresee. This becomes a plus b whole square, there will be a sin square 1 coming up. That sin square and cos square will become 1. So 1 plus sin square a plus theta, whatever, sin theta, and this retain it as usual. Why I retain this? I see that 2 cos, it is, if I get 2 by cos theta, I can make it 2 sec. So there we, in the denominator we already got the cos theta. Correct? Now cos square plus sin square is 1, so this becomes 2 plus sin 2 sin theta by cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. Take 2 common and see the magic happens. Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. We are done. 2 cos moves up, becomes sec theta. That's RHS. Let's move on to the next one, the third one. Let me know if you have any questions anytime in the comment section. Third is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. Now here you know that if you get something like, in the RHS, if you get something like 1 by sin theta cos theta, you can very well write 1 plus reciprocal of sin as cosec and reciprocal of cos as sec. So let's break this into sin and cos. Again this has to be broken into sin and cos. So break it. LHS sin by cos by 1 minus cos by sin plus cos by sin. How many problems will resolve? I don't know. I'll maybe stop after this, because then it will become more than 10 minutes, which is too much, right, for a single day. For me it's not a big deal, I can simply go on resolving, but it can become hectic for you. So take LCM now. Now you know another formula which comes in picture. This is an algebraic thing. A by B by C by D is A by B into D by C. Okay, we'll take use of that. This is not a formula, this you know, right? anyways, sin theta by cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. We are LCM, taking the LCM. Theta sin theta minus cos theta. This is one by one. You let me know at any. See, I can explain at any basics. Any basics, if they are not cleared for anyone, they can clearly ask me. That's not a problem for me. Cos theta minus sin. Now a minus b, you know, is minus b minus a. Okay. So now you invert a by b by c by d. So this becomes sin square theta, sin theta. This becomes sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and this becomes cos square theta by cos theta minus. You understand that this becomes a by b by into sin by sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin into sin is sin theta, and cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly this one. So now, I didn't write sin theta, sorry. Now I see there is sin minus cos here, I see cos minus sin here. So that the minus sign will come out. This make this one as negative, and this will become minus, and this will become sin minus cos, sin theta minus cos theta. Right? Now I can take LCM. Sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, and above one becomes sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. A cube minus b cube, right? You know, a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So a cube minus b cube, bracket, sin a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and then same will remain as it is, sin theta cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. Now sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta get cancelled. Sin square plus cos square is 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. See, we are almost there. Bracket 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. They cancel each other, so this becomes 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So now we are on almost 13 minutes, 14 minutes we spent here. So maybe we'll proceed with number 4 in the next class. We covered 3 identities today. We'll cover the 4th one in another class. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe. Please like and subscribe if you like the video, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.